Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3.
Hi everyone, my name is Crizal and welcome to our humble abode here in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam.
Think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4,
We just moved in here like 5 months ago and I'm just so grateful of this place. It looks all very like white. We live comfortably and yeah, this is like more of the dining area. All of our chairs, our dining, from the kitchen, including the sofa came in with the house.
do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good.
I adore plants at home, so we have these big plants. I was thinking it's important to put life inside your place. So we get this one, it's grown up a little bit taller. So this corner here is shoe racks. I keep all our shoes here. And if you noticed, I have flowers here. This one is called
Day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
So my husband knows I adore so much of flowers. He spoiled me with flowers, ordered from a Japanese florist based here in Ho Chi Minh.
It's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication.
And this one was given from a very dear friend of mine. When they came over here last Saturday, we had is a very small, intimate family party at home. We truly enjoyed and really had a lot of fun. This is really very gorgeous. I love this arrangement too.
Wake up, today's gonna be.
This is our dining table and these 2 chairs are from Japan. We shipped it here. It took 5 months for us to receive it, but I think it's all worth it. The kids really enjoyed dining together with us. Great conversation happened around the table.
Be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
And this is our island table. So my husband cook a lot whenever he gets free time, especially for weekends. And I just love just beside him and assist him and help him in any way. I'm washing the dishes for him. I help him chop some of the vegetables. And I feel always having the connection. This one here, I love it. It's just so perfect. This is our little corner here. One of the main
Today's gonna be a good day.
living here in Vietnam is about the water. So we have this filter. This is from a Japanese company. You only need to change the filter every once in a year. This is our fridge. Everything in this place are really new.
Wake up.
This is the living room. This is where we hang out. We watch movie together with the family. I love sharing this area. When a dear friend came over here, that was really an awesome day for all of us.
It's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's 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 gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every.
You know, I just want to have a place in where I can just sit, kick, and relax. Found our little place here. You can have all this river view. Over there is a yacht dock. Now I'm gonna take you to our room over here. First, we have 2 toilets.
Different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing.
Mostly my daughter Ansel used this toilet here. It's a good space for her. I know I am very dramatic and extra, but you know, I'm just very grateful that we were able to find a place for my family to have a comfortable life here in Ho Chi Minh. The next one I'm gonna show you is
I always gotta fight night.
this is actually not only like a playroom, but mostly like I combine these two for like a playroom and a study room. The space here is not that huge, so I just want to maximize the space. So this is where my kids studies. Every morning I'm reading English book for them because it's the only time in where they're really paying attention and just very attentive.
From the demons, y'all.
This is Ansel's room. It has really a perfect view of the pool. This is a lower floor because I always have these crazy thoughts on me. Like, what if there's an emergency and fire happened? What am I gonna do with the kids? So I'd like to prefer lower floors. The next is my room.
Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make.
I'm not really familiar about Vietnam, and on weekdays, whenever I wanted to go somewhere, so I just can't pinpoint here. The main purpose of this for also the kids to get so familiar. I love having this essential oil before off to bed at night because it's just so very relaxing and calm your nerves. Recently, I love reading this book. It's from Steve Harvey. I'm sure you read this book too. I know you're gonna agree with me that it's a great book to read. My editing space here. My husband never used this space. Whenever he has this emergency job to be done, he never used this space because he knows it's meant for me. I love editing here. This is where I edit my vlogs. I love watching Netflix and TV, so I don't usually use my personal computer for Netflix. Look at the view. Now I'm gonna take you to our bathroom.
Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take.
What I love about these bathrooms here, they have two sinks, his and hers. My husband requested our agent. Now we have a bidet, and that's just really, it's a good feeling. Like you have all this moment after you use the toilet, everything is just so clean. That's what we are used to in Japan. Sometimes it's just hard to adjust in the new place. This is our bathtub. All right, I think that's for all, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.